Hello there, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a traditional meat dish of Botswana called Seswaa. This dish is normally prepared for ceremonies such as funerals, weddings, and national events such as independence celebrations. Normally when you prepare Seswaa, it will be prepared in a traditional three-legged pot over an open wood fire, and this dish is prepared mainly by men. It's always served with phaleche in Setswana or mealie meal. Let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients you will need to make this Seswaa dish. In my bowl, I have meat already washed. We are going to use beef chuck roast. It's practically designed for slow cooking. We are also going to use short ribs, salt, and water. Seswaa ingredients are very straightforward. Meat on bone, water, and salt. That's it. Now let's get started. In a large saucepan, add the meat along with the water. We're gonna also add in salt. The salt is added before the meat cooks. That way it softens the meat while cooking. Now cover with the lid and place it on the stove top. Cook for 4 hours. Check on meat after 4 hours. Adding more water is needed while cooking. If the meat falls off the bone easily, it's about done. And if it's still clinging to the bone, give it some time until it's tender. After 4 hours, this is how the meat should look. The meat falls off the bone. Now we're gonna discard the bones. Make sure you remove each and every bone from the meat.